don't know about y'all, but I'm about to go home and enjoy a cocktail.
Boy, I'm a king, man. We at the
with Mr.
Hey, we in Chicago right now. It's that block party, car show with Wgci'S. Leon Rock, you know what I'm saying? We, hey, check out boys Independence Day weekend, man. I'll let you boys everywhere. We finna be everywhere, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got my man Leon Rodgers, Damon Williams, it's going down. Frankie hosting the white party. Shout out to Frankie in the building. It's going down real big, man. I'll let you boys. Hey, we finna show y'all exclusive footage of the block party. We'll show y'all all the cars. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna show y'all everything, man. DJ Lil John on the one and two. Wgci'S, I'll let you boys. Get money.
Drop down, let the haters hear the noise. Hit that pedal, turn that wheel. Push that button, make it all disappear. Phone gets ringing, hit the Bluetooth. Call me on the phone like, hey, what it do? I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm taking it, buddy. Yes, sir. That's what it's hot.
Shawty said he never had a girl like me, but I probably never had a boy like he. We can get together, do the all night thing, that we gotta try to keep on the deal. Can't tell nobody where we go. Fresh and I'm feeling your stilo. Yes, I'm afraid it can't be so. We
see you look good, but you got.
What's up? This your girl Hazel. We at the Wgci'S block party. Models is myself, and models like myself is going to be at the all-way party. Got your girl Black in Miami for Flavor Love. You know, we always got the hot chicks for Flavor Love and all other Iron Candy models. And it's going to be hosted by Damon Williams. We got Rodgers going to be there. He's here right now. You know, hosting the block party.
Go ahead and get your prime rib sandwich. All right, this is how it's going to break down. We got judges for old school, best custom, bike, and my favorite, the sounds, because they be beat, whoever beat. All right, the winner in each category will get 5. DJ Lil John.
We got it. Get me on the I'll take them say it to my face. Could you see a bankroll? Yeah, I almost caught a case. It's the remix, so man, it fresh drop the bass. I said that 28, it just got me sitting so high. Reach straight up through the clouds, goddamn, I'm in the sky. Got my 87 zone, goddamn it, I'm flying. Bet you anything.
What's happening? It's your main man, Stan B. This is Ology Boy Radio.
And this your boy, Mr. MTV Jams, DJ I'm a King. We in the studio live right now.
Independence Day weekend is going down with the Ology Boys. Ology Boy Weekend, our 4th annual.
Yeah, we got a lot of people excited about this event, man. So we gonna take a couple callers, see what's cracking out there in Chicagoland.
Caller, you're on the air with your main man, Stan B.
Hey, what up, this comedian Damon Will, you know, Def Jam, BET, and from the shop. I'm coming to Kankakee to do my thing, because July 3rd, the big comedy explosion with the Ology Boys at Mix is going down big. And don't forget, Funny First Sundays begins in August, the first Sunday of every month, hot comedy, hosted by your boy, Damon Williams.
Hey, that's what's happening, my man, Damon Williams. You know what I'm saying? Coming through the party with the Ology Boys. We're going to do it real big. Pop bottles, big laughs, big fun. You know, Ology Boy style.
Yeah, this your boy, I'm a King. We gonna take this next call. Caller, you on the air.
Hey, check this out. It's your girl, Frank Rob from Wgci'S 175. One have to go get a radio. Make sure you come kick it with me and the Ology Boys, man. We taking over Kankakee, baby. The 4th of July weekend. It goes down with the 4th annual White Affair event. I'm going to be in the house clean, baby, as a tack with my girls Black and Miami from Flavor of Love. That's right. The ladies are going to be doing it oh so big. So make sure you come kick it with us in Kankakee. 4th of July, baby. We're going to be at the Mix, exit 312. It's going to be going down because you already know how the Ology Boys do it. We're going to be doing it big. Oh so probably you don't know already.
Alright, that's what's up, man. Y'all heard my girl Frank Rob, man. It's going down real big. July 4th, all-white party. We kicking it all night with Favor of Love 3s, Black in Miami. If you ain't got your outfits yet, go and grab them and come party with the Ology Boys.